Spirulina. Spirulina is a form of cyanobacteria which grows in fresh warm lakes. Spirulina is the blue-green algae that are in fact partly responsible for the presence of oxygen in the atmosphere, which eventually allowed other small organisms to develop on Earth billions of years ago. It is an edible algae and can truly be an effective vitamin supplement. It tastes slightly bitter, so it is usually mixed with fruit juice or yogurt to improve the taste. Nutritional value. Spirulina contains a vast array of antioxidants, vitamins and minerals, all of which are key for promoting health. One heaped teaspoon of spirulina contains total calories 20, protein 4.02 grams, carbohydrates 1.7 grams, fat 0.54 grams, fiber 0.3 gram. Spirulina has been found to have a high protein content of 60% to 65%, which is much greater than the majority of vegetables. Protein is a key nutrient for recovery and growth. Taking spirulina regularly will ensure that you are consuming a wide range of nutrients in high quantities, which will significantly benefit your health. Top 7 reasons why spirulina is really good for your health. Number 1. Excellent nutritional profile. The 3 micronutrients that are found in the biggest quantities in spirulina are potassium, sodium and vitamin A. Both potassium and sodium contribute towards regulating the fluid balance, muscular contraction and nerve impulse. Vitamin A plays a crucial role in maintaining the health of the organs such as heart, lungs, kidneys, liver, etc. Furthermore, it is also required for vision, reproduction and a healthy immune system. Other noteworthy nutrients that are found in spirulina that significantly contribute towards health include calcium and magnesium, which both help to keep bones strong and healthy, regulate heart rate, and contribute towards a strong immune system. Number 2. Anti-inflammatory properties. Antioxidants protect the body from oxidative stress. Spirulina contains an abundance of antioxidants, and consuming it regularly may help to reduce the impact of oxidative stress, thus reducing inflammation and the risk of developing a chronic disease. The primary antioxidant in spirulina is known as phycocyanin, which is the substance that gives spirulina its green-blue color. Phycocyanin has been found to be particularly effective in inhibiting the inflammatory response. So it's very beneficial for people having allergic rhinitis, allergic skin disorders, osteoarthritis, etc. Number 3. Improves energy levels. 1 gram of protein gives the individual 4 kilocalories of energy, and since spirulina is loaded with protein, it works as a great energy booster. So it's very useful in physical training. Oxidative stress is a byproduct of exercise, and therefore consuming a high number of antioxidants may reduce the amount of stress experienced during exercise. Number 4. Antitoxic action. Spirulina has antitoxic properties that could counteract pollutants in the body, including arsenic, fluoride, iron, lead, mercury, etc. So spirulina could be a useful substance to use alongside clinical treatment of pollutant poisoning. Number 5. Supporting mental health. Spirulina has the potential role in treating mood disorders. The theory is that spirulina is a source of tryptophan. Tryptophan is an amino acid that supports serotonin production. Serotonin plays an important role in mental health. People with certain mental health conditions such as depression and anxiety may have reduced levels of serotonin. Taking tryptophan supplements to maintain healthful serotonin levels may play a role in supporting mental well-being. Number 6. Improves digestion. Spirulina contains amino acids that provide digestive enzymes which facilitates healthy digestion. It also helps fight intestinal infection as it has immune cells which fights off viruses and thus promote digestion. Number 7. Impact on medical conditions. Managing diabetes. A 2018 review study found that spirulina supplementation significantly lowered people's fasting blood glucose levels. High fasting blood sugar is a common problem in people with diabetes type 1 and type 2. This suggests that spirulina supplements may help people control diabetes. So it may help to lower blood sugar, higher insulin levels and improve liver enzyme markers. The antioxidant effect of spirulina may be helpful in treating type 1 diabetes also. Lowering cholesterol. Taking spirulina extract may help to lower cholesterol levels. Cholesterol is an unhealthful fat in a person's blood that medical experts link to heart disease. A 2016 systematic review and meta-analysis suggests that taking spirulina supplements may have a positive impact on blood lipids, which are fats in the blood. In the study, spirulina was found to significantly reduce total cholesterol and lower bad cholesterol while increasing good cholesterol. Researchers found that 1 gram of spirulina every day reduced patients or participants' total cholesterol after 3 months. Reducing blood pressure. A small-scale 2016 study found that eating spirulina regularly for 3 months reduced people's blood pressure when they were overweight and had hypertension. Preventing heart disease. High blood pressure and cholesterol levels are both linked to heart disease. As spirulina may reduce both of these risk factors, it could prevent heart disease. This might be due to their cholesterol-lowering, anti-inflammatory and antioxidative effects. Best ways to take spirulina. The two most common methods of taking spirulina are tablet form. In general, a dosage of anything between 1 to 8 grams per day has been found to be impactful on health. Powder form. The most basic method of adding spirulina is to mix the powder with water, mix it and drink. However, be aware that spirulina is typically an acquired taste and it may take time to become accustomed to it. If you find the taste of spirulina to be overpowering or difficult to drink, consider adding it to a smoothie or fruit juices instead. Not only will the drink become far more palatable, by adding fruits will boost the micronutrient content, thus increasing the potential health benefits. Spirulina can also be added to a number of foods including salads, stocks, soups, stews, pesto, hummus, omelets and energy balls. Side effects of spirulina. It should be noted that a few users of spirulina have reported a small number of adverse side effects including headaches, pains, nausea, allergic reactions and insomnia. Those who suffer from the condition known as phenylketonuria or PKU should not take spirulina as it contains an amino acid known as phenylalanine, which they cannot break down. Additionally, those who suffer from an autoimmune condition such as multiple sclerosis, lupus or rheumatoid arthritis should also avoid the consumption of spirulina. Spirulina may interfere with medications and therefore it is important that you consult a medical professional prior to beginning spirulina intake.